gotta
Yeah.
fucking. Oh no, yeah, that bitch has her tits out. Yeah.
I didn't even notice that.
I'm not supposed to be looking at those things. Delete that, Panda.
Shut up, baby. How can you
Shield
have had
your
sex and
eyes.
then say that you can't be looking at boobs?
Wait, what?
How can you have had sex before and then be like, no, I
Because
can't be looking at boobs now?
Because because it's the same reasoning as what we just talked about.
Testicle.
Oh god. Okay, buddy.
Dude, it sounded just like you.
I don't know when I've ever said I only like looking at nuts.
Right there. I gotcha.
Yeah, right after
Yeah,
dog.
that's the clip right there. Can we get shadow play?